How to remove an indicator from TradingView. This is a very easy tutorial, but I understand that whosoever is a new user, for them it becomes very difficult to find out the small trivial things like how to apply an indicator or how to remove an indicator. So in our last tutorial you must have remembered that we have displayed this super trend indicator. So let's say we want to remove this super trend indicator. One option is that I can just go and click this, and when I will press the delete button, that indicator will go off. The other option is, let's say we want to remove these simple moving average lines. So one option is that by clicking any of these lines and pressing the delete button. The other option, the easiest way, is that you would see the indicator's name towards this left side somewhere here, like moving average ribbon. So you just need to come over and hover on its name. Once you will hover here, you will see this remove button. So just need to click that and the indicator will be removed.